Hi, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the first one I've done in, wow, a while. And, oh look, it's my sweet little daughter, Mimi. How you doing today, Mimi?
Good.
Good. Alright, so I'm going to be doing this one. This is Mie Sedaap Selection Chicken Korean Spicy. It's going to be like...
surprise doll.
Well, I don't have a LOL surprise doll for you today, Miriam.
It's in the bowl.
I know, but I know. There's sprinkles, sure. Oh, and here comes Miles, ladies and gentlemen. Here's Miles.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Miles. Say hello to all the nice people in TV land.
Hello, the nice people.
Yeah, so I'm gonna do my spicy noodle video. Here are the spicy noodles, as you can see here. They're very spicy, is my guess. I'm gonna have a sip of. Don't tell my wife I'm taking a sip off of her drink. This is the zero root beer. Don't tell Mom, okay? Okay, stand back because this is gonna get crazy. But I will need a ready, set, go for this to go swimmingly. So wait. Let me get the first. That's what I never. Wow, look at the color on this stuff. Holy moly.
Holy moly.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at that.
Wow.
Alright.
Ready, set, go. Ready, set, go. Is it good? Me too.
Yeah, and it's not spicy.
Not spicy?
Mm.
I see that timer cat. And I see this.
It stopped. Push the hand.
I don't know.
Let go.
Let's go.
I think our beckoning cat needs new batteries. Oh, maybe it's going again.
Let's go.
There's like sachet 1 and sachet 2. They're supposed to be like super spicy.
They don't need batteries. They don't need batteries. They do.
The hand is going like So here, stand over here so people can see you. Careful.
Careful.
And have you been enjoying being in school?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you do yesterday for school?
Draw a picture
Mm-hmm.
of pink
Mm-hmm.
and black.
Yep. You get to use a Sharpie.
Mm-hmm.
That's super special. Not a lot of 4-year-olds are allowed by their parents to use a Sharpie for homework.
Okay. The egg.
Did you have fun at school today, Miles?
Yeah.
Yeah. What did you do?
And then I got frozen glasses.
Well, you know, I'm a little surprised.
A surprise?
It's got like 2 different spicy packets.
What's that? Rainbow! Shoot! Jump! Shoot! Jump!
Hi, Miles.
Shoot! What are you doing? I see your hat, Papa. What are you doing?
Done.
Done!
Yeah. It was really good, but I'll tell you right now, my tongue is starting to get a little hotter. May I help you?
Yeah. Yeah.
But insofar as like horribly, extremely, deathly spicy, not so much. Out of 1 to 10 stars of spicy, I'd give this maybe a 3. At least for my personal spice heat level. My tongue is hot.
Yeah.
No, my nose isn't running more than it usually is. We got some allergies going on right now, but I don't like it. No, I would eat that again. It doesn't really hit me So much as being Korean spicy. Anyways. Somebody wants attention. Well, it's going to be time for school for you in a few minutes.
Okay. Papa, be nice.
I'm being nice. What are you talking about? Ugh. Alright, come here, guys. This has been...
Maya!
And this has been...
Mimi.
And it's time for... and thank you for watching. And it's been Spicy Noodle Mukbang. And don't touch.
Don't touch.
You enjoy your noodles?
Every day!
Have a good one.